bowls and put it in.
And there's one more thing. I'm doing like pink apples. Mommy put them in cold water with ice so it doesn't get loud.
That's right. Are you gonna eat all those, or are you gonna? Perfect. That's great. Indy,
We're gonna put that one in my lunch.
you want this in your lunchbox? Okay. Are you gonna eat all of it?
I'm falling.
You're gonna go there?
Is that one gonna?
Hey! We have a rider here. Grabe, ang aga nagising. Pero ginising ko si Dan. Hindi kinaya ng powers ko. Sabi ko, can you feed her? So bumaba sila ng mga mga 6:30. Ano? 6 or 6:30? What time was it? You tell me. And then hindi uminom ng milk. Hindi uminom ng milk. Yummy? I need you to change. I need you to go to the toilet, Baba, and take off your... No, she can't have that yet. Not yet. Watch out your foot. Yeah. Let me see teeth. Let me see teeth. Yan pa rin ang salarin ng lahat. Yung mga ipin mo na yan. Bail ka. Take this. You can move. Go move. You can move now. You're not stuck anymore. Go. Come on. Oh, go to the guys. To the guys. Oh my goodness. You go to the guys, not to me. Kami na talaga pumunta, hindi kay Mommy. What are you gonna draw, Mom?
I'm gonna draw a flower. And Mommy and me. Mommy, is this a perfect circle?
Yes. Where's the remote, Indy?
Put the remote in there.
Indy, where did you put the remote? India.
You. She said she can make the whole road. Can she? Can Addison make the whole road?
Draw the whole world, you mean?
No, make the whole road.
Nah. Only Jesus.
Because Addison, she can.
Really?
Yeah.
How? And do you know 5 plus 5?
Yeah.
What is it?
10! It's 10!
You're right, yes. How about 2 plus 2?
3!
2 plus 2. Use your fingers.
How do we do it?
Put 2 fingers up and another 2 fingers up and then count.
4!
That's right. How about 5 plus 1? So put 5 fingers up
Okay.
and 1.
6!
That's right. Very smart. You're getting quicker and quicker. I love it.
And 8.
Good job, Bubbers.
Mommy, I said that Indy's smarter than me.
Aww, you're gonna teach her all your tricks.
And then when you're 2, and you start peeing, and then when you're 3, and you're peeing in the toilet and your toilet shine, you can get to my gymnastics.
You can do the other gymnastics and dancing and swimming. She can do
Well,
everything.
Mommy.
Yeah.
But when she's red out, so Daddy done have 2 looking glasses.
No, I will help her.
Oh, okay.
I think I will do all of Indy's activities. Daddy's doing it because I can't do it because I need to look after Indy. But once she gets older, I'll be able to go. Hey.
Yeah, then.
clothes. We
Wow.
have a night fit. We have a night fit, me and Daddy. Huh.
What?
And Indian Kuya.
What?
We have a meeting.
Where are you going?
Bank.
What is that?
I'm gonna take all your daddy's money. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Baby did that.
The police will get me. You wanna drink milky now? Yes.
Daddy knows it's your money. He does. Mummy, why we can't see the guys?
They're on their phone watching. Or their TV. Uh-oh.
What?
She got the remote.
My sister, she got the rabbit. That's why you can hear news. She's watching the news. She's watching the news. She's definitely watching the news. See?
Oh my gosh, I have to get ready.
About.
Gilaptan di ay na. Anong kusog mo kayo na mahilak? Gilaptan di ay na. Wala mo na hilap di. Paila sa rin bata. Uy, uy! Di mo abot be. Nasa floor siya kanina habang nagbibihis ako. Shush. Nangabis inday. Hilak di siyang maayo. High five lang be. Show guys, high five. Here. High five. Ay, kung kataw-kataw hindi. Good job. I love you, Inde. Oh. Let mommy get ready. Daddy's gonna be home soon. So, inatid lang ni Daddy si Ayla. Tapos, balik siya and then alis kami. Punta lang kami yung bangko sa ulit. Uy, ilang araw na akong walang lashes, ha? Ikaw hindi, ha? Ikaw na lang naman ang masisisi nito. Wala na akong nails, wala na akong lashes. Ay! Sabi niya, hi guys. Yeah, it's me. It's me. It's me, ang dahilan ng lahat. Hoy. Agoy. Sige, balik kita sa floor. Ibalik talaga kita sa floor, be. Kasi maglagot din mo, be. Sundan ka sa floor, be. Saman. You wanna play with something on the floor? Here? Alright, go. I'll give you something. Do you wanna play with the bag? Sige na, because I'm gonna change you. I'm gonna change Kuya. Oh, look at your toy! Look at your toy, Andy! Look, oh. Antok na to, guys. Ayoko lang patulugin kasi aalis nga kami. Dala-dala namin ang buong angkan. Papuntang bangko. Ay, you dropped the dummy. Yes, you did, girl. You sure did. And hinihintay ko yung text ng Harvey Norman. The Good Guys. I ordered air fryer last night. Inano ko siya. Clinic and collect ko siya. Now that I'm thinking about it, sana hindi ko na lang clinic and collect. Oh, here. Sana pinuntahan ko na lang talaga dun at dun bilhin. Kasi maghihintay pa ako na i-text nila ako na ready na to collect. Tapos yung pinili ko pang kulay, hindi ako sure. Sige, ilaglag natin lahat dun sa baba. Ganyan tayo oh. Ilaglag mo dun sa baba, dun. Dun talaga. Andun na yung dami, nandun na yung isa. Sige, laglag mo pa. Sige. Sabi ko, ito pa. Laglag mo lahat. Sige. Yan yung kasiyahan mo. Ito pa. Laglag mo dun. Okay. Good job. Walang katapusang ligpit ng mga bagay-bagay. Mami tiger. Hindi. Patawa-tawa lang tayo. Pero 3 oras na naman yung tulog natin. Patawa-tawa lang tayo. Kakakapi lang eh. Dinadaan-daan lang sa tawa-tawa, sayaw-sayaw. Para hindi mabuang. Kasi pag sineryoso natin yung mga bagay-bagay, maawa tayo sa sarili natin at mabubuang tayo. Sipin na lang natin, lilipas din to. Lalabas din lahat ng ipin na yan. Kailan?
Let me know when. Let me see it.
Let me see. Where is it?
Let me see. You like it? Gusto mong inangat-ngat yan? Yeah, is that nice?
Nakakahintay ang lashes ni Mami na. Nakakahintay. Biyan mo eh. Mag-ilis na tabi. Oh, wait. I need to pick up everything that you dropped on the floor.
Everything.
Well, kalat ka man, Bi. I know you're sleepy, but we're going. I know. Do you wanna go in your cozy? Sounds good. Yeah? Strange clothes. Why are you smiling like that? You got daddy. You got daddy.
Bye here.
T-Rex? No, we're not going to the T-Rex shop.
Hulkbuster's on the way.
Oh, what? You got Hulkbusters on the way, Daddy said.
Here.
I will give the Hulkbuster to Isla then if you don't want it.
Mommy.
Huh?
I want a here.
You want a T-Rex?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Steady. We'll go to the back and then we'll ask the lady if they have T-Rex there. How does that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can ask her. Do you think they will have a T-Rex there in the bank?
Where's it at? Do you know where the snacks? Did you grab some?
I think I
Daddy.
did. Get out there, babe. On the cabinet.
Mommy. I have a picnic.
Amoy, ampay yun. Ang ampay yun. Ang kalaagan.
I have a steak, Mommy.
Snake? No.
Those
You look guapo.
I take milk and eat those up in this.
Do you want Brachiosaurus sandwich?
No.
To the shops, to take to the shops.
No.
What do you want to take to the shops then? I can make you a sandwich now. Do you want a sandwich? Okay, we'll ask the lady. But do you want a sandwich?
No.
Do you want fruits? Apple and strawberries?
Not about only story.
Only strawberries, okay.
Daddy,
Yep. Ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
are you ready?
Yay, ready.
You
Indy?
ready? Yes. Yes.
All ready?
Yeah.
Everyone ready. You look guapo, mate. I like your outfit. Very cool. You're welcome.
It's a big car, Mommy.
Yeah, there's heaps of black cars. Do you want a black car?
No.
No.
That's a big car.
No.
Daddy have a big car.
What color is daddy's car?
Black.
No.
White.
White, yes.
Daddy's car. White. Daddy.
It's green.
What? No.
Okay, it's yellow.
No.
Red.
No.
Orange.
No.
Green.
No.
Yellow.
It's a ginger.
Okay, blue.
You said green
No.
again.
Okay. Purple.
No.
Pink.
No.
Brown.
No.
You tell him what color aloe.
Mommy's toast brown.
Oh, mommy's car is brown. It is. Well done, aloe. How about daddy's car?
White.
White.
Yes.
Do you like daddy's car?
Yes.
That's good.
And you talk to you.
Oh, thank you, man. Nag-text yung guys, good guys, na ready na yung aking order. So I ordered the black, but I wanna check out the white and see which color is better because the
I
black
love you,
has
Mommy.
love you, aloe.
Why would be better?
Yeah?
Oh, you got all grease stains on it. It's harder to clean.
Okay. I'm pretty sure it's easy to change.
It will be.
Yeah? Yeah. White yung meron sa amin ngayon eh.
Up to you.
We'll see. I wanna look at it. Oh, yeah, sinabi ko ba? Air fryer yung pinag-uusapan namin. In-order ko kagabi. Wala na talaga na mahinga na yung air fryer namin. Yeah, buti na lang. Tinapos niya yung in-air fry ko kagabi. Nag-air fry ako. Lagi ko kasing gamit yung air fryer namin, guys. And i-mention ko sa vlog ko na nagsa-stop siya mag-work. Pero, ino-off ko lang. Tapos ino-on ko. And then nag-work na ulit. Matagal na, mga ilang buwan na siyang ganyan. It doesn't happen all the time. Pero, nangyayari siya na namamatay siya. Tapos, nag-on siya ulit. Medyo pukpukin mo lang ng konti. Mag-on siya ulit. Or turn it off, turn it back on. Mag-on siya ulit. Ngayon, hindi talaga. Kagabi pa yun. Hindi siya inaabot ng ganyan katagal. Kasi nga, nafi-fix ko siya. Noon, I'm in the middle of cooking, nag-off siya. Pero nga, nag-work naman siya ulit after ng pukpok. Ngayon, wala na talaga. Sabi niya, ayoko na. Ayoko na talaga sa life. Anyway, sama siya sa akin. Akala ko separate cars kami kasi sabi ko, I need to pick up, the air fryer na. Pero sabi niya, samahan niya daw ako sa air fryer. Ba! Ba! Ang aga namin guys, hindi pa open yung bangko. Buti na lang may playground. Nanti yung si Daddy. Kita yung ba si Dad? Hindi niya nakita. Naglalakad-lakad sa inside ng shop. Hello! And I'm trying to put this girl to sleep. Ano na, Bi? Ano na? Ano na? Sana matulog ka, Bi? Ayun si Daddy. Bumili siya ng strawberry dun sa Tony and Mark. Sabi ko sana dito ka na lang bumili. Mas mura pa to dito. How much?
It's $5.90, but they're not as good.
Eh. And then the Tony and Mark's is like $8? Yeah. Yeah. Nagrereklamo siya na mahal. Isa mahal kasi bumibili na. Hello. Hello. I know. She likes your peekaboo.
I think it's cuckoo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Good job, Kuya.
Cuckoo. 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 Cuckoo.
Good job, Kuya. Thank you.
Cuckoo. Mommy, just don't
I opened the boot, my love, but
Why don't they sell dinosaurs over here? They only sell washing machine. No dinosaurs. I asked the lady and she's like, no, oh, that's okay. We're going home. We're going home, okay?
Mommy.
Yes. Here we go. Air fryer reveal. I got the Philips air fryer. Di ba nung nagpunta tayo ng Kmart one time, gusto ko sana bilhin yung malaking nasa Kmart. Wala kasi siyang masyadong reviews online, so I didn't end up getting that one. Plus ngayon kasi maraming naka-sale. So kagabi, nag-check lang ako ng mga air fryer kasi nga kailangan ko na talaga, nag-give up na talaga siya kagabi. And may mga nakita ako. So nawala na talaga ako sa Kmart na air fryer kasi may nakita na akong iba. Yung unang tinignan ko is yung Ninja na 2-story. Ang cute niya kasi pataas siya, dalawa pa din siya. Yung gusto ko kasi malaki. So, mas malaki dito sa air fryer na meron ako ngayon because I use it all the time. Now, nag-add ako ng isa pang requirement which is dapat dishwasher safe. So, pumasok yung Philips na brand at saka yung Ninja na brand. Tapos may isa pang brand na dishwasher safe. Tinanong ko si ChatGPT dito, guys. Best friend na kami ni ChatGPT. Nagtatanong lang ako sa kanya, what are the air fryers na dishwasher safe? So, ito, lumabas siya. At saka yung si Ninja nga. Chinek ko si Ninja, merong naka-sale na maganda na ganito. Kasame siya nung sa Kmart na pahaba nga. Tapos, bigla ko nakita yung Ninja na 2-story. Maganda siya. Sabi ko, ito na yung bibilhin ko kasi naka-sale din siya. End of financial year kasi ngayon. So, sabi ko, ito na yung 2-story na Ninja. Kasi ang cute niya, sleek lang siya, pero 2-story siya. So, nakuha ko pa din yung malaki, but hindi siya ganun kalaki tingnan. O hindi siya nakakuha ng ganun kalaking space kasi nga 2-story. But then I dug deeper and then I saw na merong mga tsaka na reviews tungkol doon kasi daw hindi daw na-distribute yung heat ng ayos. So yung likod or yung front hindi naluluto ng ayos, mas naluluto yung kabila, ganun-ganun. So sabi ko, hindi na yun. Now, nakita ko yung Philips. And sabi ko, Philips is like isa sa mga original na air fryer talaga, alam mo yun? So na-stuck ako sa Philips kasi wala na, gusto ko na din matulog and nakita ko to. Sabi ko, tama na, wala na akong time mag-research pa. So ito yung pinili ko. Ewan ko. We'll see. Yes?
Almost like it did hero. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. It actually looks really nice. It's matte and it's got this kappa. So ito at saka ito dishwasher friendly. So lagay mo lang to sa dishwasher. Wala lang talaga siya, guys. Nope. That's it. She's gone. Alright, so it works. Hugasan lang natin to. Niinit ko lang ang aking ulam. Ito yung ulam ko kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon, guys. But that's my ulam. String beans. And yeah, okay na yan. Ready na din yung rice namin. I love you, boy. Aw, you're the best boo-boy in the whole wide world. Oh, we ran out of yogurt, mate. Our groceries coming later, so just wait. No T-Rex, uy. Daming rice kasi sa aming dalawa ni Arlo to. Yeah? Ubusin ko to because meron akong pasta tonight. Ba yan? Nakalat ka pa. There's no yogurt, I'm telling you. I already told you there's no yogurt left. Ay, ang sarap. Hello, girl! Ay, hindi naman. Hindi, paging anabi. Lagot ng tanong eh. Dumating na yung order. Meron pa tong napi kaya lang hindi available so kinancel nila. So we got just the kids essentials. Yung mga snack ni Indy. Binili ko lahat, tig-iisa nung lahat ng flavors. Tapos 2 milk. Oh, ito. Ano pala? Si Ayla, allergic sa sabon. Binilhan ko siya ng malinis na sabon, yung walang mga nasty. So, ito walang sulfate. It's from Thank You na brand. So, binili ko na yung malaki. Botanical Sweet, Orange and Almond. Yeah, again, according to ChatGPT. This is nice and clean and good sa mga sensitive ang kamay. Kasi yung batang yun, grabe maghugas ng kamay. Alright. And then Yakult 3, tapos 20 na yogurt sa ata to. And dinner tonight is ravioli. Hindi magmamaso chef si Dan tonight. Because he wants these. Oh my gosh, ang cute! Ang liliit, ang cute. Uy. Uy. Hello! Hi! Uy, grabe. Masaya, Yarns. You happy? Say hi, guys. Hi, guys! Ay, ang cute naman ito. Hindi ko ito mauubos. Ang dami nito. Alright, let's put these away. Is that your Milky? Is that your Milky? Oh, look at your Milky. Oh, banggaan man Milky. Ayaw banggain Milky, B. Banggain. Oh! So cute, so little. Pass to Mama. Oh! Oh!
Dad,
Good throw.
you have yours.
Oh! Good throw.
Mine have yours. That point.
Oh!
You don't have yours.
Ready?
Dad.
I'm really far. Good catch!
Yeah.
Very good catch. Oops.
Bounce. But Daddy, you're not doing
You have
that.
to give it to me because I have injury. Okay, ready?
That's that.
Oh, almost!
You beat me off.
I did. Was it a good throw or a bad throw?
A good phone.
A good throw. Ready, steady. Oh, good catch! Good job, baby.
This is not ready. Oh, what's this?
Ready,
Yes, set.
steady.
You can play, Arla.
Ready, steady. Do you want your turn, Baba? Go there. I'll pass it to you.
I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody.